chord progression is when a letter name chord moves to a different letter name chord. For example, the C chord in any inversion, any position, moves to, say, an F chord in any inversion or any position. For now, I will just use root position. In other words, the bass note will be the letter name of the chord. So the C chord to the F chord, C major, left hand will be C. F chord, left hand will be F. Then I'll move to the G chord and then back to the C chord.